Hello traders, my name is Tomasz Wiśniewski and I'm Head of Research and Education at Axiory. And this is a short market video with the best trading occasions. Let's start today. We do have a lot of interesting news. So we will have job data from US, we will have job data from Canada, and we also will have OPEC meeting, and we will start with this. So we are waiting for the news from the OPEC Plus meeting, and definitely this will affect oil. So we start with oil, which in the last few days, weeks, several days, few weeks, is more or less in a sideways trend. And this sideways trend allowed to create inverse head and shoulder pattern. We are now in the process of creating right shoulder, which can be potentially an excellent information for the buyers. But from the technical point of view, for the buy signal on oil coming from the inverse head and shoulder pattern, we need to see the breakout of the neckline. And neckline is on around $28 for barrel. And without news from OPEC, without positive news from OPEC, I think it will be quite difficult for the price to get there. So we need very good news from OPEC, so a production cut or something, which should help here, should give traders, investors confidence. And after the breakout of the neckline, maybe they will start a new uptrend. Now, DAX yesterday was mentioned by us. We said about this head and shoulder pattern, which was eventually denied. The price went higher and now is testing the highs from Tuesday. And now we do have two formations at once. So optimists can see the ascending triangle pattern. So here the breakout of the upper horizontal resistance can give us a buy signal. And pessimists see double top formation, and here the breakout of the dynamic support will bring us a sell signal. So as long as we are inside, we have to wait. Now, euro to British pound, mentioned by us a few days ago, and I showed you those four trend continuation patterns, two flags, two edges. The last wedge eventually resulted with the pennant, but the outcome was the same. Pennant is also a trend continuation pattern, so wedge resulted with the breakout to the downside, pennant as well. And now after this we have a flag again, smaller flag. And this is a perfect example of how powerful trend continuation patterns are. And this chart can be an example of this, used in books, for example. So here we are in a flag, and we are waiting for the breakout to the downside, giving another sell signal. Usually we have three instruments. Today I have four because I have to mention gold. Yesterday I showed you that gold is on a combination of crucial horizontal support and dynamic support. Very often when those two comes together, we have a strong reaction. And here it's the case for the gold. We have a bounce from the combination of horizontal and dynamic support. The price is aiming higher. It's just the beginning. Most probably this movement will be continued in the nearest future. Thank you very much, guys, and all the best in your trading.